Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar where we will have a deep discussion about Forex and crypto pairs. So everyone who is watching me and listening me on YouTube, use the chat there. So don't feel ashamed, just use it, ask anything that you want. And for those who are also watching me on TradingView, please feel free to use the chat. So let's go. Let me know, guys, what we will start today. Okay, are we going to start with the crypto, or we are going to start with the forex pairs? Let me know what you are interested for. Just use the chat and see. Let's see the votes. Just type in the forex or crypto, depends what you would like to start with, and we will see who wins. Previous week crypto wins, so let's see what do we have again. Okay, so one vote for crypto, two for crypto. Really good. So let's go. Crypto is really interesting. Mario voted for Forex. This one is good. Okay, so two for crypto, one for Forex. Okay, one for trading view, also crypto. So let's see. This is a good battle. So three for crypto, two for Forex. Let's go. Let's see. Vote more. You can't vote two times. That's not fair. One guy on TradingView is voting two times, so good try. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see who's gonna win this battle. This looks like a Bitcoin versus USD. Okay, Boris, it's for Forex, so we have three for Forex and three for crypto. Really interesting. So who's gonna win it? Boris, Boris, you can't vote twice. We have this similar guy on YouTube who is he's actually my member. He's voting two times as this guy on TradingView. So let's go, guys. The others, don't feel ashamed. Just use the chat. Use the chat, so we'll see where we'll start. Crypto. Okay, so crypto is winning, as I can see. So crypto is really interesting those days. Guys, just keep voting, so we will see in a few minutes what we will start with. Oh, Nedel, because they're Forex. Oh, great. So crypto is really interesting those days. Okay, there are a lot of wonderful setups that are preparing those days on the market. And guys, if you have a knowledge, it is good that you will also trade crypto. If you're only trading Forex, okay, you can also apply that knowledge and trade crypto. Okay, this is what we are doing. First, we started with Forex pairs, then we apply our knowledge on crypto, and we are making money on both markets. Okay, so this is what you also should do. Use your knowledge, apply it all around the markets, and once the Forex market is in the corrections, when they are not moving, you will be able to make money from the crypto. And when the crypto is in the sideways, in the corrections, then you are able to make money on Forex market. Right, okay, so let's go. As I can see that crypto is winning, it's okay, we are learning something about the charts. Yeah, great, just keep on watching. So those who are first time on my webinar, Just watch the webinar. If you have time, watch the previous weekly market outlooks. You will learn a lot. I can guarantee this because I'm getting a lot of positive feedbacks from you that you guys are improving and learning. Okay, there are a couple of guys that are making a nice money from those webinars. Okay, so I really appreciate it that you are making money and gave me a positive feedback. And this is the purpose of these webinars. I would like to educate you as much as I can, okay? Because I can see that knowledge is the big question there, okay? A lot of people are asking me every day that they want to start investing, but they don't know how to invest and they just want to simply click all around the charts. They don't have no idea and so on, okay? So watch the webinars, you'll learn a lot. So let's go, let's quickly start with the crypto again. So let's see what the crypto is it showing for the upcoming week. A lot of altcoins are setting up. Okay, so let's start with the Bitcoin first. Let's see a quick look there. What do we have there on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is correcting to the upside. Okay, you can see what the chart is doing. It will go for one more up. Okay, so let's come on. Sorry for that. Let's see how this correction will develop. Okay, this once it will start to push, it needs to gain some momentum. This is the daily correction which is completed. As you can see that we are having a huge running flat over there. Okay, so first wave to the downside, second to the upside, and third for the downside. So now we should start pushing higher and aggressively all the way back to the top. Okay, so previous top needs to be broken. This is my target, at least 65K. Okay, so Bitcoin going higher. If you watch the 4 hour, what the 4 hour is trying to do, as you can see, there is some kind of the flag building core there. Okay, so this needs to explode to the upside. Can it also break down? Of course it can. Okay, but lower time frame will indicate, and once it will start to break, you can join the flags all the way back to the downside. Okay, so those who are trading the Bitcoin USD chart. So let's start now with those coins. Okay, those are good coins. I just filtered them out. I don't want to go and pass all those coins. There are too many of them, and I want to make this webinar a little bit shorter because it's been 2 hours long. Okay, less webinars are 2 hours long, and I don't want to make them so long because nobody will probably stay focused 2 hours. Okay, so we have a question. Nano and THR in short term, please. Yes, we'll watch it. BNB, yes, we will also watch it. No worries, guys. Just stay there. First, I will take a look on them, and after I will complete with them. Just give me the charts which we didn't we didn't check, and we'll simply just go and see what they are trying to do. Okay, so let's go audio Bitcoin. We took some money over there. Oh, sorry, what was that? Just this one. We just delete this area, it's gone now. Okay, so what we did, we were watching for this first flag and continuation to the upside. Okay, so I already removed the profit. So those who is typing in some Arabic letters, please use the Latin normal letters. I cannot read on this. Okay, so use the normal letters. Audio Bitcoin, so take it off already. And what we can do, what the others can do, let's see if chart will go back and pull back like this. Like if we give you the flag, then you can go for one more buy. Okay, this audio has a nice potential. Okay, nice potential is there. It can go all the way back to the top, but if the momentum will not appear there anytime soon, so what the price can do, it can extend for one more down and then it will go to the upside. Okay, so be aware, we can see the break of this bottom if there it will be no momentum in the upcoming days. Okay, we need to see the momentum which will push the pair to the upside. If not, simply remove it and wait for a new low, then we will watch it again. Okay, so you know what to do. Wait for the flag and go for the trade. So hi everyone on trading here. Yeah, you're probably a bit late. If you have any questions, just guys feel free to use the chat. I will answer all the questions that you have, and if you have any charts that you would like to take a look on, just type in there and we will watch it. What is your opinion about Dogecoin? Dogecoin is quite interesting and it's not for investing at the moment. Okay, there is a lot of pump. Okay, the people are just hyping, basically they are hyping the Dogecoin to buy, because I saw that on Facebook they are massively talking about this Dogecoin. And yeah, now it's a really bad enter point if you are trying to chase it. Okay, if you'll see that you're buying at the top, and this is what you're supposed to not do. Okay, you're supposed to never ever buy at the top. Okay, so where the Dogecoin is at the top, and you're supposed to not buy. If it will pull back down, then you will be able to buy it again. But yes, give me a couple of minutes and we will come to the Doge chart, and we will take a look on it. Okay, it's down there and we will have a look on it. New USDT, if you have time. Yes, I will have time. So let's go. Like I said, flag and see if it will continue to the upside. THR Bitcoin, that one is also interesting. Okay, it's trying to push higher momentum. It's not good at the moment. Okay, I want to see them pushing aggressively. Okay, so what it can do, it can go a little bit lower. Okay, giving you the 4 hour, 1 hour, sorry, running flat and keep pushing higher. So let me move on 1 hour. It's not visible there. Okay, so what we can see there, let it push lower. Okay, it will give you the running flat, and then boom, it's supposed to explode to the upside. So what you can do, you can watch to buy above this high. Okay, and momentum needs to appear over there. Okay, if you're skilled enough, and if you're not first time on the chart, then you can simply watch on lower time frame to find any flex before tagging this top. Okay, so this will give you a nice opportunity to have a better entry point. Okay, because everything is in timing. The better timing you will catch, the better price you will catch, the better reward you will have. Okay, so as you know that it's really important, the timing, it's really important. Master, I need you to introduce a coin for investing in. If you have any questions, just use the chat and let me know which coin would you like to see, and we'll take a look on it. So TH THR is good also for watching. CALO. Okay, this one's also interesting. Why? As you can see there, let me move on higher time frame. Okay, it's much more visible. For me, this is completed. This is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the running flat. So this running flat supposed to start pushing higher, breaking all those tops. Okay, so there is a nice potential reward over there. Okay, so watch it at least 30%, 30%. Okay, so at least 30% of the profit is over there, so it is worth of watching it. Okay, we have all, yeah, we have all those coins that we are watching in our academy. Okay, we have our eyes on the coins, and we are also watching the Forex, yes, of course. But yeah, we have our eyes around the market. So let's see what the CLO will do. Let me move on lower time frame. 1 hour, look at that one. Let me just delete this one. I need to have a clear picture for you. Okay, this will be a nice flag. Probably this can struggle there. One more low, breaking this low, and then it'll trying to push aggressively to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there. You will see how this will develop, and of course, definitely you can have a try to take this buy. You will see how far it will go. If it will start to struggle somewhere there, okay, without momentum, loss of momentum, then you will have to close it on a break even. It will go for new low, and then it will go higher. Okay, so it's worth of taking a buy. Wing Bitcoin, what do we have there? Wing Bitcoin, the momentum needs to kick in. Okay, the momentum needs to kick in if it will push higher. Okay, so let me just delete this one. I want to have a clear picture for every one of you. What do we have there at the moment? Okay, this is the correction. This is the correction, how far it can go. This can struggle there, correct there, going higher, at least back to this top, and then we have a flat, and it will continue to the downside. Okay, so this is the move that we are targeting, and this will be your potential profit. I don't see it totally reversing to the upside, at least not yet. Okay, this is not the momentum which will reverse the chart. Okay, so yeah, but of course, if you want to take it, this is your target. Okay, so 50% of the profit, I think this is a nice profit over there for those who will watch it. Okay, it is worth of taking it. Of course, it is worth of taking it. Okay, every percent is our money. Okay, so you will just have to watch it track down on lower time frames. Yes, 4 hour is what can struggle over there. If it will start to go, you can have a try, but you have this much room. Okay, in this time you will have to recognize if this is the momentum. If not, then it will go for one more low and giving you the bigger flat over there before pushing higher. Okay, so where you need a knowledge, you need a knowledge because and knowledge and experience, because you will have to identify in this small piece over there. Okay, if you will leave the trade open or if you will close it on a break even. Okay, that looks really simple, but it is not. Okay, this is what I am teaching people in my trading academy, so they will know how to enter and exit the trade. Okay, so this is why education is really important. This is the 6 to 8 weeks training course where I am teaching people how to enter, where to exit, and so on. Okay, it's much more complicated than you think. Okay, it's not only enter it and leave it. Okay, enter and forget it. Okay, I can go to sleep, I can go to the vacation. No, it's not that easy. Because what we are doing, okay, I'm having the questions there last week, how we are trading. Okay, if this is not going, we are taking off. Okay, we take this money away from this market, from the wing, and we put it somewhere there on which setup it's ready. Okay, then we are making money there. We are not only just leaving the trade open. Okay, because let me give you the example. If you invest 500 euros over there, okay, and if this will go higher and then lower and then higher, you'll not be making a lot of money. Maybe you'll make $20. Okay, $20 there and $20 minus a little bit there. Okay, this is not worth of holding it and watching it. Jesus, my drawings is really really funny. So what we do, we took this 500 euro away from this market which is not going, and we invest in some of this which is ready and which is giving the money. Okay, we need a trending market to make money. This is not where you will make money for a living. You need to catch the trending market to make a nice money over there. So let's go. Let's start with a little bit lower time frame, 1 hour. What is it trying to do? Like I said, if you go and find there any flag, okay, flag is not there yet. Okay, this is what you'll have to do. If you take it, you have this much room to identify if it is enough, and if the momentum is there. Otherwise, it will go for one more low and then higher. Okay, so keep an eye on it. GFI, interesting chart. Okay, so what do we have there? This is the flag which is breaking out of the structure and correcting again, and this is a really nice potential over there. Okay, so keep your eyes there. You're supposed to watch it, how far it can go. It can go at least back at the previous stop. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch this lower time frame. You can catch the entry before the breakout will appear. Okay, if not, then if you are new and if you don't know how to catch it on lower time frame, you can catch it on a breakout. Okay, it's not it's not that hard to see once this is to start to break that you can catch the trade. So let's go. A2M Bitcoin. Mm, what do we have there? Yeah, it's also a nice buy over there. Keep there for the flag. Keep sorry, keep your eyes there and watch for a buying flag. Okay, buying flag is what you want to see before taking the trade, and you have a nice trade. How far it can go? Let me have a quick look on daily. How far this can go? Back at the previous top also. Okay, back previous top, giving you the flat and then continue to upset. Okay, this is the scenario which can appear, but yeah, this is where you will have to put some attention over there once it will tag the previous top. Send Bitcoin. Okay, very nice chart. Keep an eye. It's breaking out of this downtrend. Okay, and it is correcting, and believe me, this is a good chart and you have to watch it. Put it on your watch list. It's worth taking it. Okay, nice potential. It's over there also. So let's see. Oh, sorry. What is the potential? Yeah, potential it's 56%. Nice money. It's waiting on you guys. Just watch it. Don't let the chart go without you. Okay, so CRE, it can go and correct. Okay, so and this can just give you the bigger correction before it pushes higher. Okay, track it on lower time frame. Also, this is not good momentum for a buy. Okay, if you want, you can buy only on the strong break to the upside or let it wait. Okay, let it correct and then it will push to the upside. This is also a good chart. TRX, same there. Okay, watch it. Good chart. Okay, how far it can go, at least back at the previous top, or it can go even higher. So watch it, track this breakout over there. You'll see how it will plays out. Okay, how far it can go, back at the top. Easy. Theta, same there. Watch for your buy stops. I see that the daily structure is over there. Please say your opinion about XRP. Yes, I will just wait a couple of minutes. We will watch it. It's down there. Okay, no, it's there. Sorry, XRP is down there, and we will comment it. Okay, we will take a look on it. Mm, Theta is interesting. Why? Because this is the nice confirmation that we have a nice impulsive movement, and this is correcting over there. If this will give you a buy setup, it is worth of taking it. Believe me, guys, you want to take it because there is a nice money that is waiting on you. Okay, at least 80%. 80% of profit is also there. So as you can see, guys, that I'm sharing with you the setups with 50, 30, 80, 60, and so on setups. Okay, this is a lot of money, if you can imagine, and if you know how to trade it, you can catch some really good money over there. KSM Bitcoin. Okay, KSM Bitcoin on 4 hour. What do we have there? Yeah, it's definitely going higher. Okay, definitely going higher. Watch there on lower time frames. This is what you want to see, and strong break to the upside. Take the trade. You'll see how far it goes. If there will be no momentum, then just keep it. Yeah, but definitely previous stop again. It's your target. Watch lower time frame, and you'll see how far it will go. Let's see how many percent do we have there to focus on. Yeah, it's 32%. Nice also. Fast rate. Are you still with me, guys? Just feel free to use the chat. RVN Bitcoin. I don't like it at the moment. Okay, this is trying to turn, so we have to keep an eye. If this will correct there, yeah, then you can go for the buy. But at the moment, that looks like a nice reversal all the way back, breaking this low and then going higher. So be really cautious about that one. Okay, flag is what you need. Okay, flag, buy on flag. This could be the over. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is what we have there, and pushing higher. Let me just draw that so you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is what you need, okay? Flag there on lower time frame, pushing higher, at least back at the trend line, and around the trend line you will have to recognize if there is one more down or this is the continuation. Okay, you will see this really easily. It will be visible with the momentum. Momentum will show you everything. Badge. Let's see on 4 hour. Interesting chart also. It's trying to push higher. Let's see if there will be one more low and then boom, it will go higher. Okay, let it complete. This is the 1 hour flag, which is trying to place out over there. It is trying to play out, yeah. So 1 hour. You see, this is what I'm talking. This one, this flag over there, and then pushing higher. Keep your eyes on. OM Bitcoin. This is interesting. Let me just see. Hmm. I would rather skip it because there it could be the bigger flag over there and then it will continue the upside. Okay, so this move can give you some problems if you don't know what the chart is trying to do. Okay, but yeah, once it will start to push low and once it will start to push lower, no worries, it will not gonna go take this low. Okay, STMX, good chart also. Watch this one. It's trying to give you the flag daily. What daily is trying to tell us? Look at that one. There's a nice huge expanded flat which is about to be completed. Okay, so this is nice expanded flat, you see. Okay, so and what we can anticipate all the way back at this top. So potential is there. Again, look at that one. 82% of the profit is there. Oh, this is not a good drawing. My pen and my hand is not working good. I'm not a Picasso. So 82%, nice profit over there. It is worth of taking it and watching it, guys. So keep an eye. Let's see how this will develop. Yeah, but definitely I do recommend you watch it during the week. I want to see there a strong wave to the upside. The move will be quite similar as this one. You can see it went up, then correction, and then went up, correction, went up, correction, went up. Okay, all the market behaves the same way. This is what I'm telling you in every webinar. Okay, so it's really easy and simple if you have the knowledge, but if you don't have the knowledge, you have to learn. Okay, you have to get that knowledge. It really helps you if you're first time there. It will helps you to watch the previous weekly market outlooks. Okay, you will learn a lot. So don't just simply put your money there if you're first time with me, because you don't understand where to exit, how to exit, and so on. XRP will fly to 2.2 USD. We will see. Okay, we will see. We are close to this, and this is bad, but definitely watch this STX. Nice potential there. Okay, see, I already show you the 400% of the profits over there on the crypto. So why not trade it? Okay, so those who are for the for the forex, you're supposed to also take some trades there on the crypto. Make some money on both sides, crypto and forex. Believe me, your life will become a magic. Okay, so let's go. FAT Bitcoin. Weird. Weird. Let's see. Mm, yeah, maybe not that weird. What we can have there is a correction. If this correction appears, yeah, then definitely go for this buy. Okay, this is what you will have. How far back at previous stop easily. Okay, so nice profit is waiting for you. Wait for the flag, go for the trade. KLV. Okay, potential is there. Here's what you have to be careful. This thing, if it starts to breaking out to the upside, take the trade. If not, be careful. It can go and tag the previous low. Okay, so it's on the dangerous spot for risk-taking entries. Okay, so don't do anything before chart will start breaking out. Okay, just don't buy it because I have shown you that it will go up. No. Okay, this is only the analysis, and then you need a strategy how you will trade what I'm trying to show you, or how you will trade my analysis. It's not that simple, and you need to understand when to enter. Okay, so for those who are first time there, what you can do, you can only buy on a strong break to the upside. Okay, simple. If it breaks down, congratulations, you are not in the trade. Okay, this is simple, really simple technique for the beginners. Luna, this is more than a magical chart. Okay, why? If we'll take a look there, we have an impulse, and now what do we have there? What we had there, sorry, there was the running flat. Okay, so and then we have impulse, running flat, and the impulse which has completed this huge pullback and correction. So what we can do, anticipate now a wave to the upside. Okay, so really nice wave to the upside, which will push the pair to the upside. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is this is when things become complicated and where you need knowledge to read these charts correctly. Okay, so during the week, one guy was asking me about how I can read those complications on the charts. Okay, it's not that simple, but if you have the rules, this is what we have in our trading academy, and what I teach my people and my traders, they need to apply the rules that I have created, okay, to recognize easier those patterns, and they know how the patterns behaves, where to enter, how to enter, and so on. Okay, so this is the reason why we have a 6 to 8 week course. Okay, you will not understand this in one day. You need to practice, you need to watch videos that I have prepared, and in the academy there is the huge benefit. If you are the member of the academy, every day we are having a daily webinar where we are discussing about trades, and we will give you the good advices. Okay, so if you have any question about your current trade, you can just simply put it there in the chat. We will comment it. We will help you. You can ask where to take money, how to take money, should you exit, where to exit, and so on. Okay, so this is the huge benefit having the community, which will help you improve your knowledge. It's more than a big magic benefit. So yeah, it's easier to succeed in a group of people that are educated than alone. So what you will do there, Luna, yeah, watch this. Okay, strong break to the upside. You can definitely watch for the flags there. Okay, no panic if this will go a little bit lower. Okay, it's still the buy setup. Okay, this it will be just the classical expand flat over there. Okay, expand flat can appear there, and this third wave of the correction cannot change your view. Okay, but you can buy. Okay, buy only on strong breaks to the upside. This is really nice potential. Okay, so I want that every one of you will make money out of this chart. Okay, at least back at the previous top. So let's see what is the potential. Potential, it's minimum of 26%. Okay, 26% for you. This is great. So Dodge lovers, who is asking about the Dodge? Is this guy still with me? Let me know. Let's see what you are trying to trade over there. Okay, so were you with me when once we were trading and forecasting this move and then wave to the upside? Okay, so look at on this move, this whole move has been forecasted. Okay, so what is the move? 600%, 680% was forecasted. Okay, it was forecasted. Look at that one. Let me see the chart where I have posted this analysis. Trading is not showing, so let's take a look there like this and go to my profile. Okay, so where you were when we were watching the Dogecoin? Okay, look at that one. Before 600% appeared. Okay, before 600% appeared. Look at that one. So what the chart did, it goes from there down as we were anticipating, and then did what? It gives you the flag. Why is the flag? This is the reason why you have to buy on the flag. And then guess what happened? Let's see. Let's play the chart. Boom. Okay, boom into your bank account. this is this works really nice. Okay, and yeah, everything is just in the patterns. Okay, there are no any hidden indicators, no indicators, and you can forecast those movements, which are really money making movements. Okay, so on February 15th, this was the forecast where we were watching to buy the Dodge. And yeah, let me tell you the reason why it's not looking good to buy there at the top. Look at that one, where you will be buying. Okay, we didn't buy there. Once people were talking about, we were watching for this pullback, and then we were buying somewhere there. Okay, so this is where we start buying it. Sorry, somewhere there, and then boom. Okay, we didn't bought there because it makes no sense and it can reverse really fast. Same you will apply there. Don't bought there at the top. Why? Because it can go a little bit higher going than in the running flat, and then boom, it will go without you. Okay, why? Because you will take off your profit or your trade, because you'll see some small minuses over there. Okay, and try to avoid watching your account going in drawdown. Okay, this could be really stressful and it can mislead you. Okay, so what you can do there on the Dodge, nothing. Okay, I don't recommend you do anything, but if you still do want to do and take the trade there, you can watch for the correction, take the trade how far back at the top, take off your profit, because it can go easily back down there, giving you some sideways before going higher. Okay, it's really in simple terms. So XRP, let's see this one, what is trying to do. Let me just delete this one. Let me take everything off. Move on the daily. So you said 0.2, not yet. Okay, so You will not see 2.2 yet, or is it there? Not yet. Okay, so it can go back at the top, probably going lower, and then it will go higher. Yes, of course, but you will have to wait for this 2.2 a little bit longer than you thought, probably. So what you can do for those who would like to take some trades, this is trying to go a little bit deeper. You'll see during the weekend. You'll see there the sideways, the correction before going higher, back at the top, and then it will go down, back at the bottom, and then it will continue its way to the upside. So yeah, but you can, if you feel comfortable, if you want to take some money and take this trade, you can go for this trade over there. Okay, but watch it. Once this correction will be completed, then of course you can go for this trade and follow it. Bitcoin, we already passed that one. It's nothing to say more. So guys, do we have any question what we're supposed to take a look on? Now I see that people are asking about Nano and THR, Neo, USDT. If you have time, of course, I watch this one. Are you mostly trade pair with Bitcoin? Yeah, I do. I have the main account with Bitcoin. Okay, why I have main account with Bitcoin? Because I've bought my Bitcoin account over there. Okay, so this is the date when I started with crypto trading. Okay, I created my account exactly over there, and I bought a lot of Bitcoin over there to make my account, and boom. Okay, so what is the reason? I'm making double profit. Okay, so how? I'm having the Bitcoin account, and when I'm farming, basically I'm making money with altcoins. Okay, so a lot of Bitcoin, I'm getting profit there basically from altcoins, and profit is in Bitcoins. And once this starts to rising, then I am making double profit. Why? Because I already make money with altcoins, and once Bitcoin started rising, I'm also making money with Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the reason why I decided to trade like that. But this still exists, that this can go lower. But if this will start to push lower, I will definitely close it. Okay, not my main account, not yet. Okay, if there will be any aggressive movements, then I will close it. Okay, so no worries. And I see that people are mostly afraid to have a Bitcoin main account. Okay, so I'm not afraid, and my traders are also not afraid. Why? Because we are watching on the chart every day, and Bitcoin cannot drop in one single straight line to the downside. Okay, so I will not blow up my account, never, because Bitcoin will not do anything like this. Okay, that's not gonna appear, especially not now. Okay, especially not now. If this will give me something like this, then I will decide to close my account. Okay, then I will completely transfer my account from Bitcoin and put it in the dollar. Okay, just for this deep pullback. Okay, this wave to the downside. Could you show where to put alarm for good entry? Good entry depends what is good entry for you. Okay, there are a lot of good entries, and alarms are usually set. Depends on you. Okay, so sometimes I place it on the trend line, sometimes I place it somewhere there when once it breaks the top. Okay, like this totally depends. Your alarms are there just to help you. Okay, so you don't need to watch on the chart all the time, every second. And yeah, it's good stuff. It's good stuff to have it, but there are no special rules where you will place the alarm. Okay, alarm is just there for you, for your personal purpose. Depends how you are watching on charts and where you would like to get notified. Okay, so watch those charts that people are asking now. Ethereum, please. Okay, let's watch Ethereum. Ethereum is what we did watch. Ethereum, Bitcoin, nothing special. It will go a little lower and then higher, but Ethereum, Bitcoin is what we want to see. Where is it? I don't have it. ATH. ATH. Oh, ATH. Bitcoin. Not Bitcoin, sorry. USD. Here it is. This. I knew that I have it somewhere. Nothing. Okay, so don't buy there. Okay, you see, if you didn't buy it there, okay, now it's not the time for buying. So why not? Because if you will buy there, what the price can do, it can go a little bit higher. You will make 1% of the profit. Okay, so here's what you'll do: 1% of the point, and then what the price will do, it will go into the deeper correction, and then you'll be in the drawdown. I just got disconnected by microphone, and then you'll be in the drawdown at least for the 25%. Okay, so is this making any sense? Of course not. Okay, so the point of the trading is buy low, sell higher. Am I right? Nobody don't want to buy something when there is price which is really expensive. You want to have a CC price, lower price. Okay, so you want to find the lower price, the best price. Only way like that you will make money. Okay, at what price should we buy a Dodge? I don't think now is the time to buy. Of course, yeah, now it's not the time to buy the Dodge coin. Okay, the Dodge coin it's gone. Okay, there are many other charts. Okay, so don't focus on this Dodge coin, please, guys. Okay, there you will miss a lot of setups that I was showing you there. Okay, there are much more setups than Dodge. Okay, so just simply forget it. Dogecoin is being hyped by the general public there on Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Just simply forget it. You will lose money if you listen to them. They have no idea what they are saying. Believe me, I've been trading for 9 years. Okay, so I have a lot of experience. I exactly know what is the problem about trading and where are people struggling the most. And this is the biggest problem that people are having the problems. They are buying at the tops because they heard someone or some friend says that he have to buy it because he saw that in news and people are talking it. It's worth of taking it and la 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 la. Okay, and so on. This is bullshit. Don't listen to people that are not experienced about trading. If someone make money from the crypto, that doesn't mean that he is a professional trader. Maybe this was just the luck. So aliens and XPS. Yeah. Okay. I'll start now with your pairs. Let's show you. First question was Nano. Nano. There it is. Nano Bitcoin. Uh, is going higher. Let's see the daily. Daily. What is it trying to tell? This can go a little bit lower. Okay. This can drag lower. It's not that good chart at the moment. Okay. So if it will give you the flag there during the week, yeah, you can consider buying it, but be careful, it can go only back at the top, so not a good chart. Okay, yeah, of course, watch this one. So 1 2 3 back at the previous low. Of course, we need to see the break of this low, so this can go like this. Okay, breaking this low and then consider buying it. Okay, this is your trade after having this trade. Okay, so easy, simple as that. THR, we already passed that one. THR, okay, it's gone. So I answer probably all of your question. If I didn't, just feel free to ask. Neo USDT. Neo USDT. I don't have that one. Let me just add it for you. Neo USDT. Here it is. Neo USDT for you. Let's see. Let's see what it is trying to do. No, not good potential. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Look at that one. We've been talking about where you are buying. You are buying at the top. Why you are buying at the top? Because the chart will go and go for the pullback before it will go to the opposite. Okay, they always pull back. Look at that one. It drops. They do what? They do pullback. Okay, so if you sell there, for example, or if you bought there, you are watching for the buy. Let me just reverse the chart for you. Okay, so here's the example. What you can do, if you bought there, what you'll do, you will see your account in a huge drawdown. Okay, that will give you some frustrations and then will causes you that you will close the trade over there. Okay, and then guess what? Oh gosh, you will miss this trade. Okay, and then guess what you'll do the next, you'll try to buy again because you think that, oh, I missed this one, and okay, now is the momentum to continue the upset. So guess what, you are buying again there. What it will happen, it will go down. Then guess what, you'll be frustrated and you will be closing the trade again because you will have in your head that you have a big mistake that you did before, and you would definitely close the trade. And guess what? Trade will start to go. You will do what? You will buy again. Then you got frustrated. You will buy again, and so on. You see? So this is the reason. Try to avoid doing this mistake. So every one of you, what you're supposed to do is buy on the pullback. Is this the pullback? Of course it's not. Okay, so when there it will be the pullback, this it will be the pullback, and then you will take the trade over there. Okay, you can watch this on the 4 hour. 4 hour it's much more friendly time frame for you. You're supposed to be buying somewhere there or there, okay, or maybe even there. But at the moment, this is what I do not recommend you, okay, because you have only this much room there, and you need to be experienced, really, really well experienced to take this trade and be able to take a decision in this much time. Okay. For Neo, I look for exit. Oh yeah, for exiting. Well, you can exit once you'll see there a strong break to the downside. Okay, strong breaks to the downside, you can exit it. Depends where's your entry. I hope that your entry is really good, but yeah, this will definitely go for the bigger correction. Then you can bot again. Okay. You rather buy again, take profit and bot again. Okay, never ever let the market take away the profit that you have already earned. Okay, so always take your profit. Don't let the market take back this profit from you. Okay. Uh, what else do we have there? Nano USDT. Mostly trading with the Bitcoin. I already answered this one. Could you show where put the answer? I answered. Alice and XVS, please. Yes. Good entry. So watch this now, okay? Just watch it. Once it started aggressively breaking down, you can simply taking your profit off or take it somewhere there, okay? Take your profit off at the top. This will be the best decision that you can do. Okay, can it go even higher? Yes, it can go, but no worries. Okay, if this will curl up a little bit higher, no worries. Okay, this will be only the 2%, but don't care about this 2% because it will go at any time lower. So yeah, worth of taking it at the previous stop. Believe me, you'll be happy. Okay, so what else? Neo, no. Okay, we did allies. I haven't heard for that chart, but let me check that for you. Uh, ALICA. Bitcoin or versus USDT? Let me just tell more details. Okay, you need to be much more detailed. Allies, BTC or USDT? Well, guys, when you are using the chat and sending the name of the chart, be much more specific. Okay, wrote it against the Bitcoin or against the dollar, because this will go faster. Come on, are you still there? Let me know if this allies is against USDT or against Bitcoin. Bitcoin, USDT. Okay. So one is for Bitcoin, second one is for USDT. Let's do both. Okay. So let's go first USDT and then we'll watch the against Bitcoin. Okay. So let's check both of them. Momentum is trying to appear over there. This can go in a deeper correction. Let's check on one. Oh yeah, definitely. Wait a little bit more. Okay, let wait a little bit more. Let this move to complete over there. Break this low, and then you may consider buying it. Okay, don't buy there at the moment. If it goes, let go without you. It's not worth of taking it. Okay, but yeah, of course you want to see the pullback flag. Take the trade easy. Okay, but good chart. Good chart. After having the correction. Okay, they always correct. You see, correct, correct, correct. Okay, they always does that kind of the correction. So this is a little bit bigger because it's higher. Okay, this will look like this on 4 hour and then going higher. Okay, it can go even deeper like this and then going higher. This will be even better. Okay, longer as it stays there, the much more chances are there it will go faster and stronger. And against Bitcoin, let's watch this one. Analyze Bitcoin. Same chart, same stuff, and then going higher. Uh, what else do we have there? XVS. Okay, I haven't heard for that one. XVS USD. It's gone. It's gone. You're supposed to be buyer over there. Okay, so you're supposed to be one buyer once this breakout has started to appear. Okay, so my bad. Okay, now you cannot take the trade. This is stupid idea. If you go for the trade over there, okay, what it will happen, this is what I was showing you before. Okay, and then going higher. So don't let the market give you the frustrations. Be stronger. Okay, be stronger and smarter than than market. So I was asking about trade profit on which pair? On XVS. Yeah, then closely you can start watching to take some profits. Okay, let it struggle there. If it will struggle there, take it off. Okay, once you'll see that candles are not moving anywhere, then take it at 100. Really good. Okay, really good trade. Okay, so you are already up. How much? 28%. Okay, at least 28% is what you are up at the moment. And yeah, what you can do, watch there. If it will start to breaking lower, okay, somewhere there, I don't know, somewhere there, yeah, taking off your profit. Okay, or let's wait. If this will start to struggle like this, then just take it off because it will go into the deeper correction before it will continue its way to the upside. Okay, yeah, good one. Okay, so if you catch it on $100, you did a really good job. So key USDT is what people are also asking. So maybe I have that one. Key LV. We already passed that one, but we didn't go against the USDT. Let me see if this is the different chart. Key LV USDT. Okay, sorry. Let's go a little bit lower and definitely watch for the buy stops. Yes, good chart. Okay, good chart over there. Wonderful. Okay, KLV, it's a nice potential to watch for. And QSCO coin. What the hell is this? Q coin. Let's see. I haven't saw those coins. Mm, be aware, okay? Be aware. This could be the extension for more downside. Okay, so this can go for one more low, breaking this bottom, and then continue the upside. Okay, this it will be just a huge daily correction. Rather stay away from this one. It's not worth of taking it. Okay, it's not also looking good. If you watch on the daily, you will see that the correction that I'm always showing you. You see? Okay, so this can struggle there and then going lower, breaking this low, and then to continue to the upside. Okay, so definitely I will not be watching it. There are many other pairs that are more than ready, so rather focus on the others. Leave that one. Okay, it's not looking good. Did you already cover Dogecoin? Yes, sorry, I just already covered the Dogecoin. You were a little bit late. Okay, we have a deep discussion about the Dogecoin. But yeah, feel free to watch the recordings. Okay, you will guys be able to watch the recordings of the webinar. The recording will be uploaded there on TradingView under my profile. You will see the link under the stream tabs. You will see the link from this video and you will be able to watch it during the week as many times as you want. And you can also watch the previous weekly market outlooks. You will definitely learn something because I'm getting a really massive positive feedback from people that are with me last few months. Okay, because this is the purpose of the webinar. I would like to educate as many people as I can because I see that they are missing a big knowledge, and it's really important. People need to understand and people have to know how to read the charts. Okay, because if we learn to read the book, we also need to learn how to read the charts. Okay, it's so easy. Uh, but yeah, on YouTube you'll also be able to watch the recordings. It's uploaded, and also on my Telegram chat I always post the link from the recordings, so you'll be able to see it. Okay, so we have a question also. Can you check Asterix USD? I'm looking for taking my profit. I enter it. Yeah, of course we can have a look. Which one? Asterix USD. What the hell is ringing? GFI is ringing. Okay, so it will go a little bit high. You can hold this one. Okay, you can hold this one. This is the running flat, and this can go a little bit higher. Okay, somewhere there. Try to taking off your profit. Okay, so it was a good chart. If you catch it on a good price, really good, hold it. Okay, watch your account growing. Which one was ringing? Just a second, guys. I just have one alarm over there. GFI on Bitcoin. What was the alarm for? This one looks interesting. Okay, looks interesting. Put that on your watch list and watch it closely, guys. GFI is it's interesting chart. But I have shown you already a lot of good setups, and believe me, you'll make a nice money from it. So just watch them closely. Okay, so DGB, yeah. Thanks for very good information. You are welcome. Okay, so I'm here to provide you as much value as I can. But in these 2 hours long webinars are a lot of good knowledge and informations. Nano Bitcoin, we already passed the Nano Bitcoin, so sorry, you will have to watch the recording. What do you think about Luna USD? It's also a good chart. Okay, Luna. If this will start to break, let's say like this, if this starts above, sorry, if this starts to pushing higher, then you can take the trade all the way back at the top. If not, then it can go for one deeper pullback and continue to the upside. Okay, so be really careful. Okay, or this can go into deeper correction. If it goes into deeper correction like this one, then take the trade. If not, then just simply let it go. Okay, it's not ready for you. Easy. Okay, could you show where to put alarm for good entry? I have already answered this question. Okay, so there is no rule where to put alarm. Okay, put it where you would like to be notified. Okay, so Forex guys, are you still there? Let me just finish slowly now with the crypto. Okay, so let me know, Forex guys, are you there? Okay, so I hope that you are already opening the crypto account and that you are that you wish that you are willing to start trading with crypto. Okay. So for these guys will probably start with crypto trading really soon because they always have to watch the cryptos before the forex. Oh yeah, great. So people are still there. People are still watching for the forex pairs to be analyzed. So yep, let's go. Let's start with the dollar index. But give me a break of 1 minute. I will just take a sip of water and I will be back for 1 minute. So wait for me. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so here I am. I hope you guys are still there for Forex. I just got disconnected by my microphone. Again, it's some stupid eco mode. So DXY, what do we have there? So those who are with me since a couple of weeks, we know that we've been forecasting this move, we were forecasting this move, and now what? So what we'll have to do now? Okay, now the question is it's about this correction. There it will be a bigger correction, okay? Something like this before this will continue to the downside. Okay, so be aware that this stuff will correct like this one. Okay, so going down, going higher, and then it will go down. Okay, but we are still on the way to the downside. So no worries. I don't see that this chart will totally reverse and going to the upside. Okay, so what you can do is you can watch for the short term buy. Okay, not big buy, one-to-one profits probably, and then going lower and then going higher, and then they will continue totally to the downside. Okay, so we can anticipate that the DXY will go into the correction, or we will see the sideways on the dollar pairs. Okay, so anticipating short-term trading on dollar pairs. This is what we will have to do. And so yeah, let's go. AUSD. There has been a lot of good setup also on Forex in the previous week. Okay, so we are making money all around. Okay, around on the crypto, on Forex. Okay, so we will not stop. We are just making money because setups are there. Why not to take both? So yeah, AUSD, what do we have there? Amazing and nice setup was there. Okay, 3% of the profit going lower. So the others who are not in the trade, be aware now. Okay, so you want to see the correction before chasing the price. Why? Because this could become a nice flat formation over there, and guess what? It can go for one more high, break the top before going lower. Okay, so this will just become a bigger correction before it will continue to the downside. Okay, so if you will see there any correction, yeah, you simply can take the trade, but don't be aggressive. Okay, don't chase the price any without any correction. All the chief, what do we have there? Same there. Okay, it's going down, so watch for the correction, take the trades. All the yen, similar there. Okay, so if you're already in the trade, you're doing really good job. If not, then you just simply wait for the correction, take the trades all the way back to trend line. If the momentum will be good around the trend line, congratulations, you have a nice trade because the chart will go at least tagging this low. Okay, so good trade, good trade. A lot of money is waiting there on Forex also. It's not only the crypto. Okay, so Forex is also preparing a good setups that are worth of taking it, and money is sitting there and watching you. Okay, so Aussie, New Zealand not looking good chart. I don't like it. Why I don't like it? Aussie is looking for the downside, and New Zealand is looking for the downside. Okay, so this is the reason why I don't like to chase both of them. Why? Because if the Aussie will drop and New Zealand will drop, then we will see there the sideways movement. Okay, and this is what I don't want to be stuck in. Okay, just skip it. Take the odds trades. Aussie Cat did really good job. Break down this 1 hour correction going lower. Wonderful, tremendous profit over there. So what it can do? Okay, we are already at the beginning of this wave. Okay, so how far it can go? We are breaking, and where's our profit? Okay, all the way down. At least this is our profit. What about Dodge? Buddy, you are a little bit late. We've been already discussing about Dodge, so feel free to watch the recording. Okay, the recording will be live there on my YouTube channel or Trading View under the stream tab. In my profile, you will see the recording and you are able to watch it. It's worth watching the recording. If you have time, you can also watch the previous weekly market outlooks. So yeah, what you will have to do, yeah, keep chasing the sells. Easy. News in USD, more than a wonderful chart. We already cashed this in our academy. Okay, we've been watching it, tracking down all the way on lower time frame. Yeah, and the Aussie also. Okay, Aussie and New Zealand is what we were watching in our academy. So this is the huge benefit having us in your life. It's really good benefit because you'll be warned. We are always discussing about charts, what is good to take the trade on, and yeah. big plus in your life and on your account, on your bank account. Okay, so selling there, what you can do, just keep on watching for sell stops and watch for more sells all the way back at this low is where we are anticipating and where we see the New Zealand USD to go. Okay, so New Zealand will push across the market downside and USD is pushing higher, so why not? Okay, this move is why not movement. So just watch for your sell stops all the way back at the top, at the bottom. um New Zealand, same stuff, same behavior. Why? Because we are watching the New Zealand to fall across the market. So correction, going lower, going lower. Okay, so how far this can go? Back at this low at least. Okay, back at this low, and it is worth of taking it. Okay, huge move. It's setting up there for you, and it will be a really bad story if you missed it. Okay, so make sure you catch it. New Zealand Chief, we've been anticipating what the price will do. Okay, New Zealand is dropping across the market. So how far back at this low? Okay, so watch for your sell stops during the week and take the trade. New Zealand CAD, it's already gone. Okay, so there was a lot of sell stops, and what you can do, just wait for the pullbacks, take the trade. We are close to the bottom already. Okay, I don't want to chase and taking the trades around the bottom. Why? Because I already explained this on the crypto. It's the same behavior. If you want to buy at the top, it's similar with the sell. Okay, don't sell at the bottom and don't buy at the top. Okay, so same stuff. Why? Because if I bought there, this will go in the correction, give me some frustration, I will take off my trade, and boom, the market will go without me. Okay, so frustration is not what we want to see, and drawdown, it's a big huge factor which is giving to a lot of people frustrations, so try to avoid it. Okay, so this is your first job. What you'll have to do, avoid taking those kind of the trades, because drawdowns are really big factor for your mindset. Cadian, don't chase the price. You see, we are at the top. I can see that this will start to reverse to the downside at any time soon. Now the question is how long it will struggle there. Okay, but once you'll see that sell stops are coming, just take it. Okay, it is worth of taking this trade. Why? Because it will go down. Okay, it will go down, but now buying is not a good idea. Easy. Catch if cat is definitely looking for the sell. Okay, so breaking down. Okay, I see this as one impulse, correction going lower. Okay, so this is what we've been watching. This is a little bit older. I think it's since two, two, 2 weeks ago webinar. Okay, if you will go and watch the previous weekly market outlooks, you will see those forecasts. The market is listening to us because we are investing our billions into it, and market is following us. No, I'm just kidding. Market is just following the patterns. Okay, so follow the pattern, follow the direction which I have told you, and believe me, you'll be making money. A lot of people are making nice money. So what you have to do, take some cells once it will start breaking down. Okay, so easy stuff. Don't get blind or confused with buy stops. Ignore the buy stops, take the sell stops. Are you still with me? You're New Zealand going down. Okay, so this is the correction. Okay, I see that this correction is about to be completed. It's quite complicated. Okay, so we have the first wave, second wave, and the third wave. Okay, so 1 2 3 up, 1 2 3 down, 1 1 2 3 small there. Okay, so yeah, it's about to be completed. So watch for your sell stops. Here New Zealand looks really nice. Okay, but just give me the. No, sorry, this is for the buy. Sorry. My mistake. And New Zealand is looking for the downside. Sorry. Then we will watch for the buy stops. My fault. You see. Okay, it's like this. Yeah, and down. So yeah, watch for buy stops over there. Watch for buying over there. But buy stop is not yet. Okay, I would rather wait for this. Pull back, take the trade. Okay, this will becomes one big flat over there, and it will continue to push higher. sorry, but your idea for Dodge was for February 15. Do you have the latest analysis for that? I have told you already that you're supposed to not be taking any trades on the Dogecoin. Okay, so watch the recordings. You already missed the main part where we were talking and discussing about the Doge. So watch the recording. Okay, you will see. We said that it's not for the trading. There are many other pairs that are much more interested and much more profit is waiting there on you. But if you still want to go for the Dodge, then you will face a big drawdown. Okay, don't force it. Don't lease the Facebook and Instagram professional traders because they have no idea what they're telling to you. They're just hyping messes. So yeah, your cat going lower, Y cat is going higher. So this will reverse anytime soon. Okay, it's not good chart to watch for because it can go higher. Okay, so I rather go for this movement. Let me just draw it correctly. Okay, so this movement, this is what we can see. Okay, led correct, and then going higher, back at the top, and then it will continue to downside. Okay, so but not looking good. Don't buy it. Don't just buy it once it will tag this low. Okay, it's not ready yet. You just have to wait to lose some momentum over there. Okay, so if this is strongly pushing lower, then you just can ignore it. Okay, for those who are selling it from there, you're doing really good job. And yeah, watch the previous bottom also to take your profit away from the market. Okay, your chief, where is it going? It's heading to the bottom. Okay, so this is what you've been waiting for. Can I sell? No. Let it drop, let it correct, and then those who didn't take the trade, then they will be able to take the last wave to the downside. Okay, so this is the trade which you can catch. Your GBP, whether your GBP is trying to do, or I can see the pound will drop across the market, so this will go to the upside. Okay, so be aware. Let's see how this will develop. This is the first part of the structure. We can have one more low, breaking this low, and then continue to the upside. Okay, or it can push slower and then going higher. Okay, depends now what the price will do around this bottom. Okay, don't get confused with the sell stops or don't get blinded by the sell stops. Okay, rather wait for a good buy setup before taking any trade order. Okay, your USD, what the chart is trying to do, this is a good sell. Okay, so what you can do, watch for your sell stops. Okay, the chart is going lower. How? Like this. Okay, so copy paste those movements and you know exactly what to do. Wait for the pullback, take the trade, and I will see you next Sunday in a huge profit. Okay, so don't just chase the price on analysis. Okay, so I'm keep repeating this. Your Aussie, this will go lower earlier. Okay, so this could be all the correction. This is the high. Okay, this is the high, and it can go lower. No, just a second. Let me see. This will go one more high. This is the impulse to the upside. Okay, so a little bit different analysis. Impulsive and running flat and one more up and then going down. Okay, so yeah, watch for the buy stops. Okay, buy stop is what will push this pair to the upside, but first down, tagging this low and then going higher and then to go down. Okay, so let the chart complete what it wants to complete. Okay, for me this is the running flat in the middle. So this is the big problem, the huge problem where most of the people are struggling because they got confused over there. They don't know how to read the charts correctly, and yeah, watch it there. I got it, thanks, buddy. You are welcome. Irian going lower. Okay, definitely you will start watching for a sell stops. This is a good reaction, good sign. So yeah, it's worth of going for the sell. This was the running flat. It went higher, and this is all. So what you can anticipate there in the upcoming week. So watch for your sell stops. Okay, sell is what you want to see going lower. Pound. Okay, pound will drop across the market. Okay, but this is the problem because we are struggling there around the previous bottom. This can go for one more high quickly, break the top and then going lower. Okay, so be aware with pound USD. Okay, what if you want to sell it, then definitely wait for the lower time frame correction before chasing the price. But yes, sell it's a good decision. Okay, good decision after having the correction over there. So watch it. Pound chief going already. Okay, so those are some trades that I took. I'll delete it. Um, yeah, this is all the correction. Okay, this was the expanded flat and pushing lower. How far it can go? Quite deeper. Okay, quite deeper correction and going one more low at least, and then going higher. Okay, we'll see, but yeah, it's worth of follow those cells. Okay, follow the cells on lower time frame. Pound yen going lower. Okay, this is all the correction. We are having a nice expanded flat order which is completed, and yeah, I can see there are nice wave to the downside, so it will be worth of taking sells order, guys. Okay, so take care, watch lower time frame sell setups. Pound New Zealand. If New Zealand will drop across the market, then definitely we'll see the buy order. Okay, I don't see that this is the good. Those are the old trades. Okay, so those old arrows. If you watch the previous weekly market outlook, believe me, you learn something. But yeah, what I want to see, or what I would like to say, is New Zealand is dropping across the market. This is not good sign because this will try to go higher. Okay, so how far it can only go back at this top and then to go dropping lower. So yeah, I do not recommend you to watch the pound New Zealand chart during the next week. Okay, I would rather ignore it. Okay, pound New Zealand, it's not a good decision. There are many better charts. Same there, expand flat, pushing lower. What you can do, correction, you can take small trade. Okay, small trade back at this low. Okay, it will, don't hold it for a long 1 to 1, 1 to 2, take off your profit. It's not a huge trade. If you missed it, then be happy with a small profit. Going lower, also there, back at the previous low, we will have to see why this Aussie is the problem. Okay, you know, Aussie is what we are watching to drop across the market. So if Aussie drops across the market, then guess what? This will go higher, tagging this high and then going lower. Okay, similar like Pound New Zealand, if you do remember. Okay, so those two are not tradable. I do not recommend to you guys that you will take any trades over there. Okay, just simply skip them. They are not ready. Pound Nokian, same not there. Okay, Pound Nokian, it will go into the correction, giving the running flat before pushing lower. So Chief Yen, there was some buy stops. If you took them, you can see those were my buy stops. Great, you have to take off your profit. Why you have to take off your profit? Because these will go now into the deeper correction. So follow the sales. Wait for the sell stops. Go for the sell stops on lower time frame. 5, 15, or 30 minutes will be enough for you. Okay, depends how skilled you are. If you're skilled, you can watch the 5 minute. If not, then if you're totally new, then I do recommend you only watching on 1 hour time frame. Okay, the other time frames will just confuse you. Okay. Chief Nokian going lower. Okay, this can going lower. This is the running flat. You see, drop down, running flat, and it can continue to the downside. USD Chief going higher. Okay, this momentum can reverse. So how can reverse? I don't know. This could be just the bigger correction before going lower or total reverse. I don't think that there it's a total reverse, but definitely you have to watch for your buy stops. Okay, this is the momentum that will turn at any time soon. And yeah, what you can do, just go for this buy. Okay, buying opportunity. Take the buys. How far? Not far. Okay, so small profit, take it off. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, maybe. That's all. And yeah, then you have to look at the structure. We'll see if this will continue more to the upside or will go downside. USDN, what do we have there? Correcting, struggling. I don't see it will go higher. Okay, more downside. USD CAD, not tradable. Leave it. Leave it. It will go to the upside. Okay, but yeah, once the cat will start dropping across the market, there it will be a nice trade to the upside. Okay, so watch for your buy stops on USD cat. Once you'll see that Canadian it's dropping across the market. USD Mexican, nothing special. I still see dragging lower. Okay, so look at those arrows. We've been watching this one to sell. Okay, so watch previous weekly market outlooks. You will see how this stuff works. Use the Nokian. Mm, Definitely deeper pullback. Okay, so deeper pullback can appear over there. Buy. Use the second. I think that this chart can reverse. If this corrects, if this chart corrects there, then definitely you see the tag of the previous stop. So worth taking it. Gold. What do we have there on the gold? The gold is struggling there. I don't see it break down. Okay, I see this movement. So watch for your buy stops. Okay, gold is what I do see and anticipate for the buy stops. Okay, setup it's still there. We've been watching the gold to push higher since really long. Okay, so what the hell is this there? Uh, where's the chart? I think that I have posted. Uh, it's supposed to be there. Okay, so we've been watching the chart, yeah, from there. We've been watching for this and then go for this move, and then we were watching for the buy again. Okay, so yeah, still watching it to more pushing higher. Silver, same there. Watch for buy stops. Drops down will any aggressive break to downside will invalidate the setup. Sugar going higher. Okay, so I see the tag of this top. US oil, nothing there. UK oil, same there. Okay, they will just go lower. Okay, so the same there. They can just break down, giving you the bigger correction before going higher. Okay, so this move back and breaking this low before pushing higher. UK oil, same there. Yeah, going lower, breaking this low, and then turning to the upside. So watching lower time frames, guys. US 30. Uh, buy it's shook up. With only breaking and then sell. Okay, what you have to do is focus on your sell stops. Okay, ignore all the buy setups. Buy stops are not there to give you the money. Okay, they will just try to confuse you, and the bye will and the sell will just say bye bye to you. Okay, so watch it. S500 sells. Okay, so definitely watch only for sells. Okay, you know what we are doing. We are only focusing on our sell stops. German 30, same there. One, two, three, going lower, breaking this low, and then one more high, breaking the top, and then it will totally reverse the downside. Okay, we have again question about the Dodge. Yeah, the Dodge, it's really popular. Okay, hope you are not there to trade it. Okay, so we already watch the Dodge coin, so you will have to keep an eye on the recordings. Okay, the recording will be there. Okay, so watch the recording. UK 100, same there. Watch for sell stops. Okay, so this is everything. Do we have any questions? We can have a quick look on any pair that you are interested for. Okay, just feel free to leave a comment. I will answer your question immediately and you will take a look what you would like to see. So guys, just don't feel ashamed. If you think that you have stupid question, this is only in your head, okay? This is not a stupid question. So just feel free to ask. We are here to support you. BNB Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go. Let's have a look. BNB Bitcoin. Sorry, it's supposed to be somewhere there. BNB Bitcoin for exit. Yes, I will take a look. The exit point, it's really close. Okay, so if I will be you, I will be taking off it already. Okay, if this will start to drawing lower, then take it off. Okay, so this could be a nice flat order and going lower. Okay, so if this will start to pushing lower, then close it. Okay, close, take off your profit once you see there any aggressive move to the downside. Okay, be happy with this profit. You did a good job. Okay, but definitely this will go into deeper pullback. Deep pullback. Okay, something like this, or it can go like this, so you will not miss anything. Maybe 2% is what is in the air basically. Okay, so yeah, or this one, or it can immediately go. So it's good spot to taking offer profit. Can you analyze the AAVE coin? Of course I can analyze. Why not? AAV is one more there, yeah. Nothing. So if you missed it, okay, I hope that you're in the trade there on the breakout. If not, then you cannot do much. Okay, you cannot do much over there. Oh, sorry. What was that? Okay, not much. You can watch if it aggressively breaks to the upside, you can buy, but it's not gonna go far. Okay, not gonna go far. This break to up, you can buy above the high. Okay, so how far it will go? Probably not far. Okay, you are buying at the top, and this is quite dangerous. I do not recommend you to chasing the price at the top. You see, we are at the top, and this can easily go for the bigger correction, and you will have a drawdown. So rather choose the other pairs that we've been watching closely. Okay, don't get involved by the complicated patterns or the charts that are at the top because you will lose money at the end. Okay, so we have a 30 minutes shorter webinar than a few weeks before. This is good. Okay, so this was my purpose. I was trying to make it shorter. 30 minutes, 2 hours was too long. Okay, so I make it shorter for 30 minutes. This is really good. So do we have any questions, guys? Just feel free to ask. I'm here to help you. Okay, so just ask. So for those who are interested to join my team, my trading academy, there is the 6 to 8 weeks trading course. Okay, so if you will join, you will learn everything that it's needed to become a professional trader. And what is most important, you will have the lifetime access. So that means once you pay for the membership, you will have the lifetime access. You will be with us forever. And having us in your life is really good. It's really positive. It's positive for your life, and it's also positive for your bank account. Why? Because we are watching the charts every day. We are discussing about the charts and the potential setups every day. So yeah, it's good to have the community that will help you discuss about your trades, about your decisions, and yeah, it's worth to have that kind of the community. Okay, so then if you don't have any questions, I will end the webinar over there. Please, guys, if you were happy, share the video with others. I would love you to help build this community across the world. Okay, there are a lot of people that are waiting for this video and for my channel to be discovered. Okay, because every week there are a lot of new people that found my channel first time, and they are really impressed how much knowledge is over there. Okay, because if you're first time there, if you watch the recordings, you'll see how much you will learn only by watching the recordings of the previous weekly market outlooks. Okay, so last question we will take, and then we will end the webinar. Can you check Apple, Amazon, and Tesla? Of course. Why not? Why not, buddy? Apple, let's see. Apple. What do we have there? It's going lower. Okay, Apple is going lower. Be aware. Okay, this could be all the correction going lower. But or this will be the deeper correction. Okay, something like this can appear over there because this is the running flat and we still didn't break the top, and the correction is what can appear over there. Okay, so be aware there. Let it to complete. Let it stay for the sideways couple more weeks. Before you will take any trade over there. Okay, so Amazon. See what else do we have there? It already gone. Okay, so this is some charts that we've been watching in the pre-weekly market outlooks. Okay, it went down exactly at the point where we've been waiting for. It's going up, so you can watch to take your profit off from the market. Okay, so take it off slowly. And Tesla going lower also, yeah? This is also going lower, be aware. One more up, maybe breaking this top, and then it will go still lower. 1, 2, 3, deeper correction. Daily correction is what is waiting there. Okay, so this is it. So guys, if you're happy or if you're interested to join me, you already know where and how to join me. If you have any question, just feel free to ask, to contact me. You can send me the email. You can also contact me there on TradingView, and you can also send me the Telegram message. Okay, so have a nice day. Have a really profitable week. Follow the setups that I have shared with you, and may the money be with you. Take care. Enjoy your week, and bye bye.